Today I'm going to show you how to earn $500 every single day by watching YouTube videos. Yes, earning $500 a day is as easy as watching videos online, and you can start this as soon as today. So today we are going to learn how to redirect people to YouTube videos through some links and earn commission from redirecting them to the videos. So to learn this and more on earning money online and making several passive income streams, please subscribe to the Money Pie YouTube channel, like this video and comment "I want to earn this much money every day," because we are going to have free giveaways of $10,000 every week, and we will be selecting the winner from the list of the subscribers who have subscribed to our channel, liked this video and commented on it. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. In today's internet world, earning money has become very simple, as you can create your own passive income streams and earn money from each and every stream. The internet world has made it so simple to put a little to no effort and earn hundreds and thousands of dollars every day. The trick that I'm going to show you today is earning money by redirecting others to a URL, and you will be paid by this. As you know that there are millions of people watching gaming videos on YouTube, so what you need to do is to search for most popular games on Google, and you will be given a list of the most popular games. These are the most popular games that are played and watched online. Like you can see here, Google is giving me the list of the most popular games where it lists Minecraft, GTA, Fortnite and others. You need to select one of these games, go to YouTube and put the game name on the YouTube search. Step number 1, let's search for Minecraft on YouTube. You can see here that millions of people here are already watching these videos every day. So these videos are already popular on YouTube, which makes it very easy for you to redirect more people to these videos and earn money from it. Like you can see here, this video has been posted 16 hours ago and it has already been watched by 34,000 people. This one is posted 12 hours ago and it has already been watched by 388,000 people, which is insane. This video is posted 10 hours ago and it has been watched by 786,000 people. So there are already millions and millions of people watching these videos, and these videos are getting millions and millions of views every single day. Now you need to open one of these popular videos and copy its link. So let's open this video and copy the link. This is the link of the video. Let's copy this. After copying the video link, now we need to go to a website and shorten this link. So let's paste this link in the notepad file. This is the link that we copied from the YouTube video, which is very popular. Now we need to redirect more people to watch this video, and we will be earning commission from redirecting those people. The question is how to shorten this link and how to earn the commission. There are tens of websites that will let you earn money by shortening URLs there. This article on pune.com lists 40 plus high paying URL shorteners. So there are websites that will let you earn money from shortening URLs on these websites. The first one is Linkvertise, getting paid since November 2018. It says the second one is Shrink Earn, the third one is Shrink Me, and many more. So Shrink Me says that high payout of $220 for 10,000 views from Greenland traffic. This means that this website is paying you $220 by shortening your URL and redirecting 10,000 people through that URL. We will take the Shrink Me as an example, where it says that they are paying you $220 for every 10,000 views. It means you can generate traffic for the URL that you are going to shorten from this website, and when people click the link that you shortened, they will see a bridge page where they will be presented a short ad, and then they will be redirected to the target link, which is the game video that we copied from YouTube. So these websites will pay you when people go to the link that you shortened in this website. Now all you need to do is to go to shrinkme.io, create a free account there by signing up. Once your free account is set up, you are ready to shorten your first URL. Sign into your account, go to this dashboard and click on new shorten link. Paste your link here that you copied from YouTube and click on shorten. So let's paste here This is the link that we are going to shorten. Click this shorten button and you will be given this link that is shortened by shrinkme.io. Now whoever goes through this link, they will be presented an ad, and after watching the ad they will be redirected to the YouTube video. So let's copy this from here. Now the question is how to redirect people to click on your link so that you can earn money from it. The easiest way to redirect more and more people is to go to the gaming forums online and post your link there. People in the forum will click on your link and watch the video, and at the end you will be paid from it. What you can do is to search for video game forums in the Google search, where you will be provided tens of links to the forums. Go to any forum that has more people and more posts every day. You can see this one right here, vgr.com, which is a video game forum where there are hundreds and thousands of people and they are posting there every day, and they engage each other in the posts. You can also create an account in these forums, post your link here, and people will click on the link to watch the game video. There is another fantastic and popular gaming forum by the name of PC Gamer Forum that you can see right here. Go to the forum, create an account there and participate in it by posting your links so people can go to the YouTube videos through your link and you earn from it. Remember, this is the forum that gets millions of views each day and there are thousands of people engaging with each other, so this is the best opportunity for you to take advantage of it and get some traffic to the destination video through your shortened link. This way you can earn money by shortening your URLs and redirecting people to the YouTube videos. If you manage it well and do the right things, you will be able to redirect thousands of people and get thousands of views through your link that will earn you hundreds of dollars, which can be a passive income stream. I hope you get things right and get as many views as possible so you can be paid the most amount of money every day. I hope you like this video. If you like earning money online, make sure you subscribe to the Money Pie channel and like this video. And if you want to participate in the weekly free giveaways, make sure you subscribe, like and comment on this video. Thanks for watching.